What are you waiting for? Let's go. Hey guys, good afternoon. Time check, it is currently 12:46 in the afternoon. And we are going to Tagaytay. Let's go! Dito din po ba kami mag-park? Pero kunyari, if ever mag-swimming kami, okay lang. I mean, okay lang po kasi sign up lang muna ako guys. Okay guys, so ako park na kami dun sa Alex.
Pagbaba nga niya, mag-video niya masyado. Sige matay.
Nakakalabas ko ba ba?
Oo. Ano doon sa kabila? Ah, wala. Matutusin dito.
Okay na guys.
Tsura pala yung ano, yung labas.
Guys, so punta kami sa yan. Actually, doon yung main kay Annex. Pero okay. So pumunta na yung room.
But your parents came in the cul-de-sac, leaned back in a leather-clad seat, pocket spirits in your Prada bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride, a manic
guys. So, ngayon, pupunta naman kami dun sa main para mag-picture dun sa farm. Actually guys, nakapunta na kami dati dito. Nasa vlog din siya pero like around, ano na siya? 3 years ago. Yan guys. So, nilakad kami ngayon papunta dun sa main. Malapit lang naman. Depende sa sipag mo, de joke. Yan ang mga pinya guys. Yan, those are pineapples. Alinisin pa. Di ba tayo mag-swimming? Guys. Yan, ito yung villa guys. Ganyan siya. Kitchen, room there. So yung CR. Yan, dito yung pool. Then, ito yung pool guys.
Saan tayo maganda mag-picture?
Yung picture lang kami guys. Okay, papunta naman tayo ng farm. Yan siya guys. The farm.
Checking out my car.
I return to my farm again.
Pwede kayo mag-stay dyan guys. Tapos, pwede din kayo guys bumili dito ng ano, ng mga vegetable. Kasi lang ngayon parang wala pa. May mga lettuce. Dati may mga cabbages dito guys. Kasi lang wala na. Baka na-harvest na. So yan. Init pala. Di ba malamig guys here? Baka ano pa, mamaya pang gabi nilamig.
Ganda dyan.
So yan.
Never been to California, never been to LA. So I'll stay home and write these songs, pretend I'll make it someday. My friends are getting married, they're all settling down. So I lay here, watch the ceiling fan go round and round. And it's always gone too fast, like a trip to the beach or the life of James Dean. It kills me to think I'm avoiding the pain I can't swallow. Haven't seen my twin brother Rocky, missing his calls. It's funny just how easily a family can drift apart. Finally getting married to an angel in uniform, but I still think about Nashville. We're staying here the right call, and it's
to the beach or the life of James Dean, and it kills me to think I'm avoiding the pill I can't swallow. And it comes but it won't last, like you watching your life, waiting for the good part. And what kills me is I've been avoiding the happy ending.
Ay, no, abot na yun, no? Dito matarget kay Aro. Dito. Dito lang. Dito.
Ano? Side yan.
Yan. Yan. Anis! Ang galing! Sabi ko sa'yo.
Good evening. Time check, it is currently 7 something something in the evening. So we're just going to have dinner here in Alvinos. Yeah. Yeah, which is good though.
Iyaw na yan po. 380.
Yan, mga naka-game face mode on sila. Focus sila sa pag-ano.
Bilao Station.
Maghahanap ng pagkain. Oh. Sisig. Kainan na. Hey guys, so tapos na mag-dinner. So ano masasabi nyo?
The rating is good, 8.5 out of 10. It's kind of pricey, but let's give it to them.
Na?
It's in Tagaytay, so...
I second the motion.
I third demotion.
What's that? Sky Ranch na yun?
Sky Ranch. I don't know if you can see it guys. Basta may ano doon. Somewhere there. So may van.
Are we going to the...
Sky Ranch. Yeah. Mag-McDo na tayo. Dessert naman guys sa McDo.
Small. Is Tita Small already there?
Yeah, Tita Small, medium large is there. So guys, magdadrive lang ako. See you at McDo na lang.
Alam mo naman?
So update, we didn't go to McDo and Starbucks. Bumalik na lang kami sa hotel. Kasi sobrang daming tao guys. Lahat Starbucks, dalawang Starbucks ngayon puno. Then pati McDo, puno. So, wala. Okay lang. May Starbucks naman sa mga iba. Oh well, okay lang naman guys. Maglalaro lang ulit kami ng billiards. See you. Good night guys. See you again tomorrow.
May sakto, may parang puka dun.
Kanin? Ay.
Thanks na.
Nga, mintas na.
Hey guys, good morning. So day 2. Day 2. Lamig. Sarap, lamig. Medyo may... Parang may fog na eh. Oh, pag guys. So day 2, magbe-breakfast muna kami. Papunta kami dun sa main compound for breakfast. Sarap ang lamig guys. Sara ko lang yung gate. Yeah. Breakfast guys. Okay na breakfast.
Sabi na mga kalulong, linggo dating ng bisita.
Hindi ko lang kasi.
Wala naman pasok bukas.
Ah.
You say things and being pulled apart. You're so abrasive, knew it from the start. They all want you, social butterfly. Just come with me, and me. Be our heroes, it wasn't summertime. Just keep me waiting, one drink to pass the time. And not the only one who's been let down. Come with me. Baby, I'm not done for the mistakes that we had on the way from nothing. I'm not one body, can't you tell by my face? But I'm only fun of feeling if you make me stay. I'm sorry, easy. I'm falling hard, and I don't care for anyone. I need you more just on my phone, and I think that something's happening, losing my mind. So just come with me, baby. I'm not done for the mistakes. Maybe I don't wanna wait for nothing. I'm not my body, can't you tell by my face? But I'm only gonna feel if you make me stay. Baby, I'm not done for the mistakes. Maybe I don't wanna wait for nothing to change. I'm not my body, can't you tell by my face? But I'm only gonna feel if you make me stay.
Hey guys, so we're currently here in Mahogany Market. Sumili kami ng meat. Daming tao guys. Buti nga nakapag-park kami agad. Daming tao.
Pwede yun, ma? Oo, pwede. Pwede daw yun.
Ma'am, pako broccoli ko. Pako, kami ensalada. Spinach, mushroom, broccoli ko.
Ano yung kape? Ano yung kape? Ay,
May Arabica, may Barako. Hindi, bukod sa
ayun na iba-iba. There's Arabica. Ay, thank you.
Ayan po, ito po.
Hindi na ganun kape.
Ere sir, ang Arabica 200. Itong Barako 150. Espresso 200.
Iba po ng price.
Yung 150.
Ang Barako lang po 150, the rest po 200.
Yung basket lang po. Yung barako.
Laki ng ano guys. Laki. Sarap bumili dito guys ng mga ano, gulay and fruits. Pero actually guys, mas mura if sa mismong farm kayo bumili. Madaming farm dito. So, yun lang.
Sa atin, may nilagay.
Yan guys, kasi naman lahat. Hey guys, so since sa Tagaytay tayo, we're going to have a late lunch sa Jollibee. Hindi kami natuloy sa Jollibee. Ang daming tao. Ayan. Dito kami somewhere in the middle of Tagaytay Bypass Road.
Ito, only budget.
Ano pangalan ng ano na to?
Sisig na
Ma, ito ka, binusog na po.
Ano pangalan ng lugar na to?
Anli po.
Parang talaga eh. Ay ba? Parang siya food court.
Cowboy Pares.
Cowboy Pares.
Di ba?
Pero hindi lang pares ang meron.
Pero feeling sana malaki yung set po.
Ang cute ng lugar dito guys.
Oo.
Buto laman, 95.
Tapos meron din sila doong cafe.
Sisig na pusit, 199.
Hindi pala kita dito. Pero yun, may cafe din dito. Tapos may yan, mga kubo-kubo per table. Hindi pa masyadong kasi madami din ba naman tao, pero di sobrang marami. So yun,
Pag kinaw lang ako, kakain ako ng buto.
kain muna
May
kami.
mga lomi.
Ay order pa pala, hindi pa pala nakapag-order.
Ano, Kapitan
Malaki ma,
Sige.
450 lang.
450.
Gusto mo na ito? Gusto na lang.
Wow, sweet.
Wala akong binusog na pusit. Magkawin siya.
Ganda.
Dami,
Yeah,
iba naman
guys.
kulay yan eh.
So, kain na.
Si Chuchu. Uy. Ikaw na, gumalaw ha.
Oh, hindi na ako. Wala namang sinabi, oh. Kain na. Kain na kami, guys. Bye. Ayan guys. So we end na. Time check. It is 3:26 in the afternoon. Baka si Papa na mag-dive. Kasi gusto ko matulog.
Ano, cowboy?
Yun lang, guys. Siguro,
Maano kayo, malalim.
yan, pauwi na kami guys. So,
Ito na lang, oh, basta
thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you on the next vlog.